Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel this week. I'm just going to lather up. I'm not doing any shave tests in this video. I'm quite up to date with my restoration work at the moment. However, I've got quite a few interesting razors in my collection, one of which I'll be showing today, a 7-day set. But it's really quite compact. It's an SE razor made by Wilkinson. And it's quite a charming little set. And the soap I'm using, just bear with me a sec, it's pure glycerine made by Lubrico. I don't know if you can see it, but it gives a list of ingredients there. But basically it's pure glycerine and palm oil, with a few other ingredients there. I don't know if it's in focus or not. Maybe not in focus. And it comes in quite a cute grease-proof pack. The only faff is that it comes in a square block. Pure glycerine and palm oil. And I spoke to the guy who makes this in London, and I said, why do you do it in square blocks when my shaving bowl's in round? Shaving bowls are round, you know? He said, well, basically what you do, I'll just rinse the bowl off. What he suggested was, if you would have got a round shaving bowl, cut it into blocks, like square, just cut the square blocks into the shape of the bowl, and then over time, as you're working your brushing, it'll all sort of gel together eventually. And it seems to have worked. It smells nice anyway. The lather's not quite as thick as Pro Raso, but we'll give it a go, see what it's like. They also do another product. They do an alum block. Comes in a nice cute little box, and that's pure crystal as well, really good product. So anyway, getting back to the 7-day set, it's a nice compact little set made by Wilkinson. It's got a nice press stud opener, he says. Try to open it. And inside you've got all the days of the week. They're all handmade, obviously. You've got the days of the week, Monday through to Sunday, on the spine. They're of a wedge design, and it comes with the, I'll put this down and then explain how this works. This little tab here, this little butterfly thing, you hold that and you slot your blade into there, into that slide, and then you feed your strop, just an ordinary Wilkinson strop from, say, an Empire set. Wilkinson's Empire will fit. you go down there, underneath and up the other side, and then you simply move your strop up and down like that, up and down the strop. Quite easy to do. It's all gold plated with ivory handle, which unscrews. And then you've got another blade holder here, which you can screw into there. Put your blade into this end, into that end there, and then just strop away like you would with a normal everyday strop, or you can use it as a straight razor. Quite ingenious really. So that screws back into there, and the head pivots, completely adjustable, and then when you got to the right angle you want, you just screw it in and tight. And then for the blade, I'm on Thursdays at the moment. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There we go. There's the blade. As you can see, it's a nice wedge design. And it's got a nice shoulder to it as well, a nice chamfer on it. So I know I keep disappearing, but I'm back now. Just got to put my glasses on for this. And to fit this in to the holder, you literally press this lever here, there, and there's two little pegs on either side. You just get a better grip. Slide your blade into there, and then your spine fits onto the back and locks in place. So it's a great travel set, very compact. So I'll just freshen up this lather. So it's a bit like a Rolls razor, but better gold plated components, and like I said, the handles made it from ivory. So just tighten that up now. Whew, that's aggressive. Quite aggressive, that. Yeah, this lather's not as good as normal soap, but I don't think that's any fault of the soap itself, because the water here is really hard. Yeah, they're quite, it's a smooth blade. But it's also quite aggressive. I'd judge it as something like the similar to a Gillette Fat Boy on the adjustable Gillette, but on its most aggressive setting, number 9. I think it's number 9, 7, whatever. So if you ever see these on eBay or wherever, I can recommend them, they're quite good. Very attractive set with its gold plating, but having said all that, it's not adjustable at the end of the day. And I think I've got an Empire set similar to that. Seven-day set again, but the blade holder is fully adjustable, where this isn't. Right, it's a nice set to have. Nice collector's piece, you know. But out of the two, if I had a choice between this set and the I find that this sort of angle is about right for my skin. It's just got a slight bend in the neck. Yeah, if I had a choice between this, it's a very pretty blade and all that, with the gold plate and the ivory and all this, but out of the two, the Wilkinson 7-day set, the Empire one, this is the Pall Mall, it says there, Pall Mall. The Empire set is more practical because the blade holder is fully adjustable. But hey ho, all very nice, all boys' toys sort of things, aren't they? Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'll probably be shave testing the William Hawcroft, the beard butcher. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.